Want to know how to add payment methods in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. So you can just simply do it right there. And once that is done, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this menu icon with the 3 hamburger icon. So you can just simply select it right here. And once that is done, just simply hit towards settings right here on top. So once you've selected settings, your profile should be viewed up. So you can just simply scroll down a little bit. So once you have scrolled down here, you should be seeing various options, and below services, you should be seeing payments. So just simply select payments. And once that is done, in order to add a new payment, just simply select add a new payment method right here. And you can just simply add a debit card. And then just simply type in your card number, your month day, and then your security code. Once that is done, it should be saved simply. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.